Okay, here's a test of it typing. Sounds pretty clean. Maybe the top row is not. Must be getting to the end of the margin when it stops typing. Yeah, hit hard. So we got the margin set pretty narrow. Oh, there's a nice ding. And there we are at the end. Not sure how to set the margins, but you know, it is what it is. Here's the touch control, all the inner workings. Like I said, pretty clean. Pretty clean piece of equipment. I'm going to swing back around here. It'll be upside down. You can see the logo. The 800 here has been rubbed off, but you can still kind of see the embossing of where it was at. Super nice. Thanks.